Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Automates. The 2026 Toyota CUV is here, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Toyota has once again proven why it remains a global leader in the automotive world, blending practicality, style, technology, and performance into a crossover utility vehicle that feels like it was built for the future. Today, we're diving deep into everything this vehicle has to offer, from its exterior design and interior features to performance, safety, and what makes it stand out in such a competitive segment. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota CUV demands attention with a bold, aerodynamic profile that balances elegance with aggression. The sleek LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and sporty stance give it a dynamic appearance, while Toyota's signature grille design has been reimagined for a more futuristic look. Depending on the trim level, you get options like 20-inch alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, and sleek roof rails that enhance both style and practicality. It's the kind of design that makes a strong first impression whether you're pulling up to a business meeting or heading out on a weekend road trip. Step inside, and the 2026 Toyota CUV greets you with a cabin that blends luxury and functionality. High-quality soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout create a sense of comfort and sophistication. The centerpiece is the massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, paired with Toyota's latest smart software that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless updates. A fully digital instrument cluster and available head-up display keep critical information in clear view, while features like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced voice commands keep everyone connected. The seating is spacious, with generous legroom for both front and rear passengers, and available leather-trimmed options elevate the feel. Cargo space is also impressive, with a power liftgate and flat-folding rear seats to maximize versatility. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota CUV offers a choice of powertrains designed to meet the needs of modern drivers. The standard model comes with a fuel-efficient turbocharged engine that delivers a balanced mix of power and economy. For those who want more, Toyota's hybrid option is a real game-changer, combining electric efficiency with strong acceleration and a smooth driving experience. Rumors suggest Toyota may even add a plug-in hybrid model, which would be ideal for city commuters who want to reduce emissions while still having the freedom for longer road trips. Handling has been refined with improved suspension tuning, precise steering, and available all-wheel drive, making this CUV just as confident on twisty roads as it is cruising down the highway. Of course, safety is one area where Toyota never compromises, and the 2026 CUV is packed with advanced driver assist features. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Parking is made easier with a 360-degree camera system and advanced parking assist, making city driving less stressful. It's clear that Toyota designed this vehicle with both families and solo drivers in mind, ensuring peace of mind behind the wheel. Another standout aspect of the 2026 Toyota CUV is its focus on sustainability and efficiency. The hybrid models, in particular, are designed to maximize fuel economy without sacrificing performance, appealing to eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on capability. Toyota's commitment to reliability also means you can expect this CUV to hold its value over time, making it a smart investment in addition to being a stylish and practical choice. When you look at the competition, the 2026 Toyota CUV doesn't just fit in, it rises above. Rivals like Honda, Hyundai, and Ford all have strong offerings in the crossover market, but Toyota's blend of design, technology, and proven reliability makes this vehicle stand out. Add in Toyota's reputation for long-lasting vehicles and excellent resale value, and it's clear this CUV is going to be one of the most talked-about vehicles of the year. Whether you're someone who needs a dependable family vehicle, a commuter looking for efficiency, or just a driver who wants the latest in style and tech, the 2026 Toyota CUV delivers on every front. It's bold, it's modern, and it's built for the future. If you're in the market for a new crossover in 2026, this one should absolutely be on your shortlist. Toyota has once again raised the bar, and the competition will have to work hard to catch up.